India, the UAE's second largest trading partner. But we believe this is only the beginning. Financial institutions have an important role to play in supporting this growth corridor with investments and capital flows. Through our partnership with RBL, we hope to contribute meaningfully to that objective. Our investment of approximately $3 billion represents one of the largest foreign direct investments in India's financial services sector and one of the most significant international investments undertaken by Emirates NBD. More importantly, it reflects our conviction that India's best years are ahead and our desire to participate meaningfully in that journey as a long-term partner to your country. The capital will strengthen RBL's balance sheet, support future growth, accelerate investment in technology and talent, and create a stronger platform to serve our customers across India. But beyond capital, it also brings experience, capabilities, and a network spanning 13 countries across Middle East, North Africa, Turkey, Europe, and Asia. Together, Emirates NBD and RBL will be uniquely positioned to support businesses operating across the UAE-India corridor and the wider Manatsa region, facilitating trade, investment, and financial connectivity between some of the world's most dynamic economies. This partnership represents our confidence in India's future, our belief in RBL, and our commitment to being a responsible, long-term partner to India's growth story. To our friends and partners at RBL, we are excited about what we can build together. To the Government of India and the Reserve Bank of India, we thank you for your trust and confidence in allowing this transaction to go through. And to our clients and our stakeholders, we look forward to serving you for the decades to come. We are honoured to be part of India's growth story, and may it continue for decades and centuries to come. Thank you.
Mr. Nelson, thank you so very much. When both institutions speak the same language of ambition and customer trust, you know this partnership is built on the right foundation. To address this gathering, I now have the privilege to invite the Vice Chairman and Managing Director of Emirates NBD, Mr. Hisham Abdullah Al Qasim.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I was wondering what I was going to start with, but ultimately the both CEOs, Managing Director, they have talked about the whole programs. So first of all, I want to welcome and thank you for everyone who has joined us in this room. It is a true moment, and it's a very important moment for Emirates NBD. It was a long journey. We started the financial institution as a first bank in UAE in 1963 by the help of State Bank of India. So it was a story. Always the aim to be there, but always we're trying to be bigger and bigger and bigger. This market is too big. It has a lots of potential, and definitely it will going to have a bigger future in to come. So at the time we had enough money to spend, we came to India and we had the opportunity, and I want to thank, first of all, our President, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed. He had helped us in the whole journey for the past 10 years from the time we had taken the, let's say, the license, and his relationship with the Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, we could not forget him. He had been a great help to our transaction from day one. And I want to thank the Minister of Finance, the the chief minister, the whole, let's say, embassies, either it was in UAE, embassy in India, and the Indian embassy in UAE, they have played a great role to make this moment happen. And I want to thank everyone in the room, plus our partners, our customers, who will make this transaction successful. Whole platform has been built to create a base for our businessmen to have the right trade on. I'm sure that every businessman in this room, he had some relationship in Dubai. Already as Emirates NBD, we are banking a lots of businessmen in India for the past 25 years. Now is the time, I think, that to expand that relationship. We are at your service, and I wish that we can fulfill and grow Indian economy more and more. Thank you.
Sir, thank you very much for your kind and encouraging address. We regret that our FM was unable to join us virtually today, our finance minister, due to some last-minute technical difficulties and had to attend another prior commitment. The Honourable Minister has, however, sent her warmest regards and heartfelt congratulations to the RBL Bank and Emirates NBD teams. Ladies and gentlemen, Maharashtra is not just the economic heartbeat of India. It is a state with a long tradition of welcoming the world, and no one embodies that spirit of open, forward-looking leadership more than our Honourable Chief Minister. Under his stewardship, Maharashtra continues to be the preferred destination for global investment and global partnerships. It is our privilege and our honor to invite him to share his vision. So, ladies and gentlemen, with a big round of applause, we'll please welcome the Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Shri Devendra Fadnavis ji.
Good afternoon and namaskar. Honorable Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, Mr. R. Subramania Kumar, MD and CEO, RBL Bank, Mr. Chandan Sinha, Chairman, RBL Bank, Mr. Hesham Abdullah Al Qasim, Vice Chairman and MD, Emirates NBD, Mr. Shane Nelson, Group CEO, Emirates National Bank of Dubai, Mr. Sanjay Lohia, Secretary, Department of Financial Services, all the esteemed dignitaries present here, ladies and gentlemen, at the very outset, I would like to congratulate the RBL Bank and the Emirates NBD for entering into a new space where India and UAE were always connected by Arabian Sea. Now the new connection is RBL Bank and Emirates NBD. Congratulations for this new relationship. And as we all know, that history is like a wheel, and as rightly told by Mr. Hesham Abdullah ji, that the Emirates National Bank of Dubai was started with the help of State Bank of India, and today it is the biggest equity investor in Indian bank, that is the RBL Bank. I think the journey of both the institutions has been very inspirational and phenomenal. RBL Bank which started in 40s, had a gradual evolution from a small bank to a very robust commercial bank. And I'm very happy that, as always said by Mr. Subramania Kumar, it's a bank started in Maharashtra, started by the son of soil. I think Mr. Patil from Sangli and Mr. Chaugule from Kolhapur and few others came together and they started RBL, and today we are witnessing India's biggest equity acquisition in terms of FDA, and it is not a mere program of exchange of paper. It's creating a history of sorts. Because on one hand, yes, it is India's biggest equity acquisition, but at the same time, it shows the confidence of global investors in the Indian economy and Indian banking system. It shows the strength of India's growth story, which is steered by our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, and it also showcases the growing relationship between India and UAE, which is strengthened by the visit of our Honorable Prime Minister to UAE and the commitments which were agreed between Honorable Prime Minister and also His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan. And today, one of those announcements is actually taking a shape, is growing into a reality, and I'm sure that this is just a beginning and we are ready to witness many more such engagements between the two countries. I would like to congratulate our Finance Minister, the Finance Ministry, and all our regulators, because for an acquisition of such a scale, both the institutions and the regulators have to work together, have to work day and night. But I think this one deal has paved a way for many more such deals, for many more such equity infusions, and it will open a way for many more foreign banks to have deep ties with the Indian banks, thereby consolidating and deepening the Indian banking sector, and also thereby helping the Indian economy to grow. We are very happy that today, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, India is the fastest growing economy, and in this fastest growing economy, one of the biggest contributor is the state of Maharashtra. It contributes 14% to the national GDP. At the same time, it accounts for 40% of the FDI that comes to India. And Mumbai, of course, is the financial, commercial and entertainment capital of India. And today, when this program is happening in Mumbai, I think it belongs to Mumbai. I'm sure with this new strength, RBL Bank, with a new zeal, new vigor, will invest more, will expand its portfolio. With this infusion of 3 billion USD, your capacity to expand has grown manifold. And with your association with a strong bank like Emirates NBD, which has an asset base of 330 billion USD, I think that you have again a very strong strength whereby you can expand in many areas. But I would like to tell you that apart from the private sector, government is also one sector which is safest to lend. We never default. And I have a project pipeline of $100 billion. So maybe we can work together. Of course, SBI was the first bank to show all the faith on Government of Maharashtra when we started Samruddhi Mahamarg. And now that is a testament, and SBI can tell that we are the best customers. And I'm sure that you will also come up with new instruments whereby you'll be able to work with us. In fact, I must also tell you that RBL Bank has been our very good CSR partner, empowering the school-going girls, empowering the rural communities. They've already shown their commitments towards society, and I'm sure that now it will also grow manyfold. So once again, I would like to congratulate RBL Bank, Emirates NBD, Ministry of Finance, all the regulators, and I would like to wish all the best. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Honorable Chief Minister, thank you so much for that very spirited and inspiring address. Sir, Maharashtra's ambition has always been India's ambition, and today that ambition finds a powerful new expression. We are deeply, deeply honored. May I request the Honorable Chief Minister and all our distinguished guests to remain on stage as we come together for our commemorative photographs. Ladies and gentlemen, for the first commemorative photograph, it is my honor to invite and request the following to join us on stage. Mr. Jaideep Iyer, Mr. Ranajana Agarwal, Mr. Sivakumar Gopalan, Mr. Murali Ramakrishnan, Mr. Soma Sankara Prasad, Mr. Surya Narayan Subramanian, Mr. Patrick Sullivan, Mr. Neeraj Makin, Mr. Manoj Chawla, and Mr. Marwan Hadi. gentlemen, a big round of applause for our dignitaries on stage for this momentous occasion, for all that made this beautiful day happen. Thank you very much. All who just joined us, may I request you to take your seats, requesting the dignitaries on stage to please stay back for another photograph. For the second photograph, yes, we'd like to invite His Excellency Khalid Juma Al Majid, Mr. Ali Humaid Ali Al Owais, and Mr. Salim Muhammad Obaidullah. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. A moment that will mark the beginning of many more milestones to come. Thank you for joining us for the photograph. And now, before we bring the formal proceedings to a close, a vote of thanks. I invite Group Head Strategy, Analytics and Venture Capital for Emirates NBD, Mr. Neeraj Makin, to please share a vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, everybody, for being here. I won't take much of the time, but we're deeply honored by the presence. Virtually, we hoped the Finance Minister would have been able to address her, but due to technical difficulties, she couldn't. So, but she at least tried. Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Mr. Devendra Fadnavis ji, Mr. Sanjay Lohia, the Department of Financial Secretary, thank you so much for honoring us with your presence today. To all the government agencies, Reserve Bank of India, and the regulatory authorities for their guidance, support, and stewardship to conclude and get this transaction to this level. To the respective boards of Emirates NBD and RBL, thank you for the support and commitment to get to this milestone, and to the management and employees of both the banks to continue to work together in a collaborative manner and dedication to bring this partnership to this fruition. Finally, to our guests from the government, industry, financial community, clients, partners, and media, thank you for being part of this important milestone. Today marks the beginning of an exciting new chapter. We look forward to contributing meaningfully to India's growth story and to strengthening the economic ties between India and UAE in the years ahead. Thank you for your presence, your support, and good wishes. Have a wonderful afternoon. Thanks.